Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix sharp TV OPC power light flashing with no picture, error codes and fix. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. You just have to unplug the power cord directly from the wall outlet. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 to 30 seconds while it is in unplugged to drain any remaining power. Plug the TV back directly to the wall outlet. Avoid using extension cord. Turn the TV on. Fix 2. Enter the service menu to reset lamp and LED errors. You just have to unplug the TV completely from the power outlet. Locate the physical button on the side or bottom of the TV. You just have to press the volume down and input button simultaneously or volume down and channel up button on some model. While holding the button, you just have to plug the TV back into the power outlet. Continue holding the button until the screen light up with a K or service menu. You can just use a channel up or down button to navigate and volume down and up button to make a decision. Then you just have to move to the page 2 or 3 and locate setting labeled lamp error reset, reset or factory reset and industry INIT. You just have to turn all of these settings to on, press enter or OK or the input button to apply. The screen will briefly flash green. You just have to unplug the TV and plug it back in and turn it on to complete the setup. Fix 3. Disconnect external devices. You just have to unplug all the external devices like gaming console, steaming stick, satellite box and soundbars from HDMI and USB port. You just have to unplug the TV for 5 minutes and plug the TV back in and turn it on with no devices connector. If the TV turns on normally and reconnect device one by one. Isolate the faulty device by identifying which one caused issues. Fix 4. Flashing test from the backlight failure. You just have to turn on the TV, use a smartphone flashlight, hold the flashlight inches away from the dark screen. Check for faint outlines of the menu or picture under the flashing beam. If the outlines are visible, the backlight is completely dead. Thanks for watching.